everyone, I am Pragati Patel. Today we are going to discuss about coenzyme and prosthetic group. Introduction. Some enzymes are simple proteins and some others enzymes are conjugated proteins. Simple proteins contain only amino acid. Conjugated protein equal protein part plus non-protein part. Protein part is apoenzyme and non-protein part is cofactor. Non-protein part of the enzymes is called cofactor. Holoenzyme made of apoenzyme plus cofactor. Cofactor divided into two types. First is coenzyme and second is prosthetic group. Coenzyme, non-protein part of an enzyme, binds loosely to the protein part and can be separated by dialysis. Coenzyme is an organic cofactor, sometimes called co-substrate. A coenzyme that is strongly bound to the enzymes is also considered a prosthetic group. Example: coenzyme A, NAD+ and NADP contain the vitamin niacin. Many vitamins and their derivative often act as coenzyme, e.g. Thiamine pyrophosphate helps in transfer of aldehyde group. Second, coenzyme A is responsible for transfer of acetyl group. फ्लैविन एडेनिन डाइन्यूक्लियोटाइड ट्रांसफर इलेक्ट्रॉन. फोर्थ है कोबामाइड कोएंजाइम ट्रांसफर एल्काइल ग्रुप. प्रोस्थेटिक ग्रुप द नॉन प्रोटीन्स पार्ट विच बॉन्ड टाइटली टू द proteinous part are called as prosthetic group. Cannot be separated by simple dialysis covalently for the protein's biological activity. In peroxidase and catalase which catalyze the breakdown of hydrogen peroxide to water and oxygen, heme is the prosthetic group. Some coenzyme and prosthetic group and their structure: NAD+ and NADP, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide NAD and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate are derived of the vitamins B3. Nicotinamide acid NAD and NADP act as coenzyme for many dehydrogenase water where they are involved in transfer of hydrogen casing, either oxidation or reduction of the substrate. In general, NAD takes part in the catabolic reaction which NADP is synthetic pathway reaction. Lactic acid is oxidized the pyruvic acid where NAD act as hydrogen acceptor. In the other reaction, acetaldehyde is reduced to ethanol where NADH2 act as H donor. Although the reduced form of NAD and NADP are usually shown as NADH2 and NADPH2 for convenience, it noted that the correct form should be NADH plus H plus and NADPH plus H plus respectively, because the positively charged nicotinamide ring accepts one electron and one H atom from a pair of one H atom removed from the substrate. The electron goes to the positively charged N atom and another hydrogen is added at the position NAD plus H plus one electron NADH plus H plus. NAD and NADP were previously called DPN, diphosphopiridine nucleotide, and TPN, triphosphopiridine nucleotide respectively. Second है FMN and FAD. FMN and FAD, commonly called flavoproteins, are also hydrogen transferring coenzyme associated with hydrogens. Flavoprotein contain the vitamin B, riboflavin. In contrast to NAD and NAD are NADP, the coenzyme of lipoprotein, are more tightly bound to the apoenzyme. As a result, they cannot be separated by dialysis. Structure of riboflavin. This is a riboflavin and riboflavin mononucleotide in FMN. Structure of riboflavin, FMN and FAD. Coenzyme. Coenzyme. Coenzyme A. Coenzyme A has a coenzyme derived from the vitamin pantothenic. Participates in acyl group transfer. Reactions with carboxylic acid and fatty acid. Coenzyme A dependent reaction include oxidation of fuel molecules and biosynthesis of carboxylic acid and fatty acid. Acyl group are covalently attached to the SH of coenzyme A to form thioester. Thymine pyrophosphate. It is a derived of thymine vitamin B1. Reactive center is the thiazolium ring with a very acidic hydrogen atom at C2 position. Thymine pyrophosphate participate in reaction of decarboxylation, second oxidative decarboxylation, and third transketolase enzyme reaction. Biotin. Biotin is the prosthetic group of many carboxylases. It is attached to the apoenzymes by an amido link between its carbonyl and the E-amino group of a lysine reduce. After carboxylation, carboxybiotin serves as carrier of activated carboxyl group. Carboxybiotin is able to transfer carbon dioxide to acceptor without the input of additional free energy. Example, pyruvate carboxylase. Lipoic acid. It is a cyclic disulfide attached through an amide bond lipomide to the transacylase subunit of the 2-oxoacid dehydrogenase complex. This coenzyme acts as an oxidant. It accepts two hydrogen atoms, form the activated form of an aldehyde, binds the resulting acyl as a thioester, and transfer the acyl onto coenzyme A. Lipoic acid was mentioned earlier among prosthetic groups of oxidoreductase as a cyclic disulfide attached to the transacyls subunit of the 2-oxoacid dehydrogenase complex lipomide. It acts both as an oxidant of an activated aldehyde carrier carried by thymine diphosphate, binds the resulting acyl as a thioester and transfer the acyl onto coenzyme A. Cytochromes. Heme-containing coenzyme whose iron third undergoes reversible 1-electron reduction. Cytochromes A, B, and C have different visible absorption spectra and heme prosthetic group. Electron transfer potential varies among different cytochromes due to the different protein environment of each prosthetic group. Iron sulfur protein. Iron sulfur proteins are involved in electron transfer in the mitochondrial terminal respiratory chain, or e.g. in mitochondrial steroid hydroxylation. Despite the different number of iron atoms present, each cluster accepts or donate only one electron. Thank you.